Hey guys, welcome back. In this lesson we're going to look at some left hand exercises to strengthen your left hand. So just look at the tab and follow along. We're going to be picking in a down, up, down, up. And if you look at the tab, you can see it starts on the first fret with our first finger on the bottom E string, the sixth string, and then our second finger plays that note there on the same string, the third finger on the third fret, and then the pinky, the fourth finger, on the fourth fret. So we get this down, up, down, up. Now this is a great exercise to get you up on your tips of your fingers and get you using your tips of your fingers, and that's another reason why this is such a good exercise to do. And what you want to try and do is keep your thumb low at the back of the neck. If you've got your thumb up like that, your fingers aren't going to make that nice stretch. I mean, if you can get your thumb quite low, see how far you can stretch your first finger, and you'll find that you can probably get it a bit further than you think. So the idea is to keep those fingers over the corresponding fret. So first finger, first fret, second finger, second fret, third and fourth. So the other thing is you want to play these exercises nice and slow and to some kind of tempo. So we've got down, up, down, up. Okay, and you can go back down. Okay, so that's quite hard work back here on the first fret. But as you move up, we then start on the second fret. Of course, the frets become a bit closer together. I'm just going to play it a bit faster so I can just demonstrate how you move the scale up the strings. Start on the next fret. Okay, and we continue going up the neck. And that's pretty much all there is to that first exercise. Just remember, thumb low at the back of the neck. Try and get up on the tips of your fingers. You've got one finger per fret, so if it's really too hard for you to start down here, start up at the fifth fret or the seventh fret, and you'll find you don't have to stretch as far, and you'll at least be able to get started that way. And perhaps you want to start there and work your way down. It'd be another way of doing it. And if you like, you can swing the quavers as well. Do it a few times this way. Sped it up a little bit on the way back then just for the sake of the video. So that's a great little exercise to help get strength in your left hand. Now the next exercise, same kind of thing, but we're going to skip a string. And if you look at the tab, it goes like this. It goes first fret, 1 to the third fret, and then your second finger on the second fret, and your pinky, fourth finger, on the fourth fret. So it's like this. Alright? Now this is where you're going to have to train your fingers to do what you want them to do, because they start to flap around a bit and get out there. This is a great drill just to get you sort of settled, your fingers settled onto the neck. So the same thing on the next string. 1, 3, 2, 4. When I say the numbers, I'm actually talking about the fingers. First finger, third, second, fourth. just hold that pattern all the way through each string. Okay, and then back down. We move up a fret. 1, 3, 2, 4. Whoops. Okay. Now, yeah, that really starts to work your fingers. Yet again, with this exercise, just do it for a couple of minutes. So, 4 or 5 minutes. If you put yourself on the clock and actually play one of these exercises for 5 minutes, it'll seem like quite a long time. And if you do it daily, your fingers will just have to get stronger. It's just, it's just the hours and the time that you put into it. You get the rewards. Okay, the next exercise, exercise 3. This one's a bit different. This one is going to start on the 3rd finger and the 4th finger. It's going to work lead with those two because I guess in a way they're kind of weaker than the 1st and the 2nd finger. So just checking out the tab there, you see we start on the 3rd fret. Okay, and then we move to the next string. This one's a good one to sort of get these fingers to do what you want them to do and keep these fingers relatively still close to the fretboard without getting in the way. To the next fret, which would be the 4th fret. And then up to the 5th fret. Great one for the pinky, this one. Don't rush them. You want it to be nice and slow and clean. It's all about just building the strength slowly. Okay, so there's 3 really good exercises to do. Try them up the neck. And try those variations as well, and I'm sure you will get a lot of benefit out of those. I'll see you in the next video.